What's up, guys? Just got to Lake Mary. Check it out. It's really cold, like 31 degrees. Sun's coming up. Over here with Jermaine. You cold?
It's cold, man. We need the sun right now.
Yeah, we need this sun. I'm gonna be throwing out a mice tail, mini jig. Stay tuned. I'll be back. See some fish, guys. Let's see if we can get them. Oh shit, he's looking at it. He's looking at it. Oh shit, there he is. That's it. Oh, shit. Hooked up on a big one, guys. On the jig. Oh. Ooh, he's a nice one.
I'm stuck too.
Let's go, come on. My heart's going crazy.
Oh, geez. It's on content.
Took a tumble. Ooh, slippery. That's the big one too.
You want to take a step back real quick? Take a step back real quick.
Damn, this one's fighting hard. Come on. Come on. My heart is beating so hard right now.
Let me get this one.
Yeah, I see him. That's a nice one too. Put the net below it, inside the water. Underneath it.
Oh.
See? Pull it up! Pull it up! You got it!
I'm on net duty, baby!
You got it, baby! We got it! We got it! Holy! Woo. Gotta bleep that out.
Sorry.
That's the one. That's the one. See how many times I changed that jig though?
Yeah.
And then we found the one you wanted. Bam. That's the one.
Wow.
There he is. Let me get my other. Damn, that was a fighter. That was a fighter. My heart. All right, guys, we just got that big one. Changed the jig like 5 times, and we finally got him. Whew. Yeah. It's been slow all day. We had the yellow one, the brown one, the orange one. This is the one right here. Done deal, just like that. He saw it, went straight for it. Little jig. Man. There it is. Thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail. Is there too much sun?
Kinda. But it should be fine. Hey.
Awesome netting skills, Jermaine. Thank you.
I'm on net duty, baby. Let's throw it back now.
All right, on to the next, guys. Hooked up on another big one. This is a good one. On that same jig. This one's bigger than the last one. Number 2, guys, on a jig. This one looks like a 3 or 4 pounder. 4 pounder. Woo! Yep, bigger than the last one. Yep, that's a huge. That's a 4 or 5. Oh, there's another big. No, it's not a big one.
This one's a big.
Yeah. Same jig, guys. Same. Yeah. Oh yeah.
What did he say?
I don't know. I'm gonna change yours out. Another big one. Same jig. Check it out, guys.
Whoa!
Same jig. Number 2. Definitely bigger than the first one. There he is. First one thought better, but this one's definitely bigger. Let's weigh him. $3.7, guys.
3.7?
Yeah. Almost 4.
Yeah.
Almost 4 pounder. Damn, that's a beauty. All right. All right, that's it for today, guys. Good day. Good day at Lake Mary. Caught everything mostly on jigs. Check out the catch. Check it out. Some beauties right there. All on jigs. Alright, stay tuned because we ain't done yet. We need to get some rest, some food, and then we'll see. Hey, that's Jermaine. Already knocked out. Let's check it out. Man, this place is nice. Why are you hiding? You gonna say hi? Hey! Look at the back. Not bad. Room number 1. Oh. Who's this guy? Alright. Check out the bathroom. Now to my room. This place is really nice. Yep, this is where we'll be staying. Fishing tomorrow, we don't know yet, maybe Lake George. Oh, there's the kitchen. Just picked up these new baits. Probably give them a try tomorrow. I did really good with the white and orange jig today. I used the yellow ones, I used the green ones, the brown ones, none of them worked. And then I changed to the white and orange and got 2 big ones. But yeah, that's it. We'll be back